Did you know that to start your business, you literally need nothing? Nothing. Except for your creative brain, of course, but even your brain can take a backseat with all these modern AI tools. You only need it in moderation. In this video, I'm planning to set up an online shop, my own online shop, and start selling merchandise without investing a single cent. That's right, zero investment and hopefully some profit. And I am inviting you to join me on this ride. Grab your favorite cup of coffee, tea, or even a glass of wine, whatever you like. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's get
rolling.
To get started, I only need two platforms, Printify and Etsy. And I'll begin with Printify.com. I already have an account, but you can easily register on this website. It's 100% free. I'm going to click on My Store and boom, I'm on the platform. Let's click on Catalog. There's a number of different kinds of products, t-shirts, tank tops, mouse pads, you name it. I am going to pick something unique and creative. I will customize this product and I'll begin selling it. Here's how it works. I pick a product from this list of Printify products. I customize this product with my unique design, for example, a custom-made hoodie with AI-generated images. And then I am going to connect my Printify account to my Etsy account and make the magic work. When someone orders my hoodie on Etsy, Printify automatically handles production and delivery. I don't have to worry about anything. I don't have to worry about a thing. I simply take my cut from the sales and the rest is taken care of. Let's dive into the first product. I'm going to walk you through the process. I see a selection of different kinds of products and I absolutely love this selection. I am going to click on candles. I was originally planning to design a hoodie, but now I'm thinking maybe I should create something unique like a candle with my custom design, and maybe you can order that candle later. There is a link in the description. You can order this candle that we are about to create online. Let me click on this scented candles. So now I'm going to start designing.
To create a unique image for this project, I used Adobe Firefly. Since I already have a subscription, Adobe Firefly came at no additional cost to me. All I had to do was experiment with different prompts until I crafted the perfect image for my first merch. This ties back to the topic of creativity used in moderation.
I'm going to click on start designing. I'm going to choose black background. I'll click on this upload. I am uploading the image now. Let's see. All right, let's place it right in the middle. Perfect. Look at this beautiful design. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to click on save product and it's all ready. Let's take a look at these candles, what they're gonna look like. Ooh, look at that. Actually, I'm thinking maybe I can create something that is a little bit darker. Let me see if I want to create amber candles. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to connect my Printify account to Etsy, but before I do that, I have to create my Etsy account. So let's do that. All right, so let's go on Etsy.com. Here I'll click on register, email. Looks like I have successfully created my Etsy account. Welcome shop numbers, make your shop uniquely. All right, let's do it. I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. I'll skip this question. Shop language English, shop country United States, save and continue. Enter shop name, shark numbers, save and continue. No special characters, spaces. Okay, we can have spaces, save and continue. Yeah, we'll sell physical items. Merch, candle, art, hoodie, AI. I'm going to connect my bank account. Instant, Bank of America, verifying. Your identity has been verified. Continue shop setup. Your bank account has been connected. My shop is now open, guys. Okay, so it looks like I did not connect it to Etsy yet. Connect Etsy to do. Now let's get back to my products and try to publish this one.
After realizing how easily I could publish products on Etsy using Printify, I decided to add another product, a hoodie. It was something I originally planned to create, but got sidetracked by candles. The hoodie is now available for sale. The link is in the description.
All right, so now I have two products. I have my custom candle that I am selling on Etsy, and I am now offering hoodies for sale. My products are live. My products are now for sale, and just like that, I'm all set. The hoodie is live online. The candle is now live online. So starting a business is easy. And in the online space, it's also free. It costs nothing but some creativity, of course, and a bit of patience and diligence too. Once again, it took me about an hour to set everything up. And now Printify will take care of my orders. That's it. Anyone can start a business today without any investment. I just showed you how. If you found this tutorial valuable, show some love by purchasing this limited edition hoodie and this limited edition candle that I just created. This hoodie is more than just clothing. Take a look at it. It's a symbol, a reminder of how you can start your own business. Plus, it's great quality because Printify is all about top-notch products. So buy my candle or buy my hoodie to show love, to show support, and go ahead and create your own Printify account. Try selling, try creating your own unique products and offer them to the world. I included all the relevant links in the description. That's it for today. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV.
Out.